In this video, we'll cover the safe operation of the chipper. Make sure everyone is wearing the proper PPE, hard hat, safety t-shirt and/or safety vest, eye and face protection, ear protection, safety shoes, and short cuffed work gloves. You may wear an approved mesh or clear plastic face shield. You must also wear safety glasses or goggles under the shield. For ear protection, wear either earplugs or earmuffs, or both. Branches and limbs can snag on loose-fitting clothing or PPE, creating a safety hazard and possibly pulling you into the chipper. All clothing and PPE should be close-fitting and worn properly with no loose ends. Never wear gauntlet-type gloves. Before leaving the yard, perform the pre-operation checks and thoroughly inspect the chipper. Check all safety devices, making sure they are in working order. Make sure all safety decals are present, intact, and fully legible. Never take out a chipper with operational or safety-related problems. And if problems develop on site, do not operate the chipper until they are corrected. Once the work zone has been established, set up the chipper on a firm, flat surface large enough to not only park the chipper, but to feed material into it as well. The chipper must never be fed from an embankment or slope. Make certain there are no tripping hazards close to the intake chute, and make certain the discharge chute is pointing in a safe direction. Once the chipper is set up, all crew members must have a safety briefing. Review all the steps to be taken if there is an emergency. Discuss the location of the fire extinguisher and the first aid kit. Review the location of the panic bar and how it operates. And make sure everyone knows where the engine shutoff is located. Extend the feed tray to the full open position and start the chipper. When the chipper is running, one crew member must be stationed at the feeder control where they can quickly stop the feed rollers in an emergency. To minimize the chance of being snagged by a branch, always feed material into the intake chute butt end first, then step away and to the side. Never operate the chipper by yourself, and never use your hands or feet to dislodge debris or push material into the intake chute. Use another piece of debris to push shorter material toward the feed rollers. Again, never use your hands or your feet. Do not let any part of your body get anywhere near the intake chute when the chipper is running. Stop and reverse the feed rollers to clear any material that becomes jammed. Never use your hands to pull it out. Remember, if you can't do it safely, don't do it. When you get back to the area headquarters, it's time to check your equipment for any problems. Clean it, grease it, and make sure it's ready for the next job.